Welcome to Celestun.
Celestun is a sleepy fishing village on the west coast of Mexico's Yucatan state. This is a place we've been dying to get to for a while now because of its large flocks of flamingos. But we found out that there's way more hidden secrets about this place. So far, visiting Celestun has been one of our favorite experiences since moving to Mexico, and in this video, we're going to cover what makes it so amazing and why you should visit.
First impressions of this place, it is absolutely gorgeous. Everything is colorful and it is right on the ocean. So you turn down a street and you can just see the ocean. It looks absolutely gorgeous. What do you think, Seth?
Beautiful.
Look how colorful this place is. The square is really cute too. It's got a red church and a yellow bell tower.
You can just smell all the seafood in the air. It smells so good. One thing I love is that all the restaurants here along the beach, they have these harbors built that extend from their restaurant, and it's just all this seating directly in the sand. So you can just eat barefoot and just watch the ocean right next to you. It's beautiful.
We grabbed a beachfront Airbnb for only $45 a night. I noticed that in Celestún, it is one of the most affordable places that we've seen in the Yucatan Peninsula to book oceanfront stays. So let's take a minute to talk about how amazing Airbnb is. Just a few minutes after arriving to Celestún, we were cruising around town with our awesome host, a local of Celestún. If you've never stayed at an Airbnb before, check out our description on this video for a link to get a discount on your first booking. Okay. It's our first night in Celestún, so we're gonna try to make the most of it by going to find a abandoned hacienda, which is an estate, and it is across the state line in Campeche, but there isn't that much information about it online, so we don't really know what we're getting ourselves into.
Okay, so our tuk-tuk driver Louis just dropped us off back here in town. That was amazing, guys. We were about to give up on getting out to the old ex-hacienda because it had been raining off and on. It just stopped raining. It's actually starting to rain again now. It's just before dark. We knew it was gonna be rough roads because it said, get this, it said 25 minutes driving, only 15 minutes biking, and like just over an hour walking. So we knew the roads had to be really bad because we looked at the route and it was the same route on Google Maps. So we asked a taxi driver about it and he was like, no way, because it just rained. And we were about to give up. We didn't have time to walk, but we picked up a tuk-tuk in the main square with an awesome driver named Louis. He's just a cool guy and a big yes man. He was like, yeah, let's do it. We'll take you out there. The roads were a little bit wet. Almost got stuck a few times. It's just like these winding dirt roads that go through this really wild natural reserve area, and it just ends at this big hacienda, and we actually crossed into the Campeche state, of course, and it was just a really cool experience. But yeah, we had a huge skier because we took the drone up, of course, and there was a wind advisory right away, but I still decided to go up really quick and get a few quick clips. But unfortunately, I lost control of the drone over the water and it just started blowing away in a wind gust, and I was able to regain control and bring the drone back in. But for a second there, like, I thought I lost the drone. I was freaked out. But all is well, and that was an awesome adventure. What'd you think about that, Lauren?
Oh my God, that couldn't have gone better.
Yeah,
we were so close to giving up, but then Louis came in and swooped in and saved the day.
Luis, best tuk-tuk driver in Celestún.
Celestún, Rio de Salinas.
Sí, Rio de Salinas.
just arrived at the place where we're gonna take our flamingo tour. It took us 22 minutes to walk from the town. We see a couple people out on the dock. We're really excited. We don't know exactly how much this is gonna cost us, so we'll find out. So Seth just spoke to one of the workers here, and basically it is 1,800 pesos to take the boat out, but you can split it between 6 people, which there's nobody else to split it between here now, so we're waiting. It's basically luck if you get here with a group or you have to wait. We don't know how long we're gonna be here, so we'll see.
We waited about an hour and finally took the L and paid the 1,800 pesos to hire the boat. The best time to see flamingos is early morning, but nobody else showed up. The tour was supposed to last about an hour and 20 minutes, but our boat captain, he was super chill, and ours lasted closer to 2 hours. Flamingo season in Celestun lasts from November to April, but the peak is December to February. And then they head up the coast a few hours to Rio Lagartos. So you're gonna wanna go there to see them if you're visiting between late March to June. And flamingos you see in Celestun are American flamingos, and they're one of the largest and brightest colored flamingos in the world. This was like a real National Geographic experience because after a few minutes of watching the flamingos, they just forget you're there and just going about their daily lives. They're very social birds because like the flock sizes will be in the thousands sometimes. They have an average lifespan of 40 to 60 years. We are just cruising through a mangrove swamp right now. I've never seen anything like it.
Yeah, it's like a fairy tale in here.
Yeah.
And when
stunning.
we pulled in, birds are everywhere.
Yeah, we hung a fast left, and it was so much fun. And then like as we're riding through, the water's like really brown, and these bright white birds and these black birds will just fly off. They're like egresses.
Yeah, egrets. That's what it was.
Egrets.
Yeah.
You definitely want to bring bug spray out here though, because there is a lot of bugs.
Oh, like check this opening out.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's magical. Look at that.
Alligators? Alligators? Crocodiles? Crocodile? Nice.
Is there alligators in this water?